Hello and welcome back. Today, Chic Spaces is delivering yet another very beautiful 3 BHK apartment. This apartment adorns beautiful wallpapers all across the house in art forms. The colors of the wardrobes, the kitchen, the TV unit, everything is so beautifully chosen and selected. The entire house boasts of art and in a very subtle manner. Now, I would let you take a tour of this whole house and do let us know in the comments below about your favorite chic space. Thank you.